In today's question, we have question from differentiation. Find dy over dx when y is this. So let me rewrite y. Y here is e power 2x. Then we have x cubed minus 3. As you can see, we have two different functions here. So we can consider one. We can name one of them as u and another one as v. So this is u and this is v. So let's say we have here the product rule. So if what is the product rule? The product rule is if we have uy, if let's say y is equal to uv, then when you differentiate it with respect to x, then we have u, then dv over dx, then we have v du over dx, right? This is the product rule of differentiation that we are going to use over here. So now I will differentiate this separately here. So writing u is equal to e power 2x and our v is x cubed minus 3. So we need du over dx. So this is going to be e power 2x, derivative of this remains the same. By chain rule, derivative of 2x, that is times 2. So this gives us 2e power 2x, right? This is our du over dx. Now similarly we need dv over dx. dv over dx, this will be 3x squared minus 0. So basically 3x squared. So now we will be using the rule to find out the derivative, that is dy over dx. dy over dx is now u dv over dx. u is here e power 2x and dv over dx is here, which is 3x squared, right? Then plus we have v is x cubed minus 3, and then we have du over dx, which is from here 2e power 2x. We have already calculated that. Now just it's a matter of simplifying this. So it is as you can see it, let me just add one step, then it will be easy. So times 3x squared, and here we have 2e power 2x. I'm bringing it in front, so like this. So now if you see, e power 2x is common, so e power 2x, then we have inside as you can see in the answer, we need to have the okay, we are not given the answer, so we have this e power 2x in the question, so we can write it in that form if possible. So e power 2x is common, so we have 3x squared, and this is gone out, and when you multiply here, this will become 2x cubed plus 2x cubed minus 2 times 3, it is 6. So we can still rearrange because I want to write down the x cube first, then 3x squared minus 6. Though this is our final answer.